Mike has a 3D printer, and today I just made my first 3D drawing. I don't even know the terms. So I did my first 3D model and I'm getting ready to print it. It's just a proof of concept. I'm working on soap cases for my soap, so we'll see how it goes. Everything is preheating. And my goal with this is to make some Patreon tiers and have like a soap of the month club. Why not, right? And then I figure the first bar I send out for the soap of the month club will come in a little draining soap dish box. I don't know, I just thought it'd be kind of fun. It'd be a fun way to add a tier to Patreon. Oh, it's starting. And Mike was very patient and awesome and taught me how to 3D model today.
So it's just the skirt that determines the area that the thing will be inside.
Alright, so my first prototype is done and it works. It was just a little thin and flimsy and I wanted to add some features, so I've got another one printing. This is prototype number 2. I've got some drainage holes kind of mapped out for it because this is going to be a travel case / draining soap dish. As you can see, our bed has been replaced. We had the original magnetic bed that came with the printer, but it had some high spots and was not doing well. So Mike got a glass bed for the 3D printer, and this is going to be our test to try and get it calibrated. So with the new bed, there's always things to learn, and we're just kind of figuring all this 3D printing stuff out. We're fairly new to it, and we're just trying to tweak it and figure out what we need to do. So we're having adhesion issues. Would a glue stick help in this case? I know some people use a glue stick on their 3D printer bed to help get stuff to stick, so we may do that. We'll see in a minute. Several prototypes later. At this point, we realized the logo as we had it just really wasn't going to work. So I went back to Ed, who helped me design the logo, and we reworked it a little bit to make it a little more 3D printer friendly. Hey, it's sticking better. And there we have it, my very first prototype. So look for our new Soap of the Month Club on Patreon. You'll be able to help choose what kind of soap I'm going to make for the next month and the colors involved. There's going to be a limited number of spots, and your very first bar of soap will come in our draining soap dish. Thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate each and every one of you. Have a great rest of your week, and I'll see you soon. Love you guys. Bye.